2007 petrol Leon FR, British, so right hand drive, it's a passenger footwell. I'm starting on the inside rather than the outside, so there's two little, so there's one little rubber thing, but it just takes you to a screw, so I went up a bit and cut away, and I don't know if you can see it, but basically there's what clearly looks like a hole which will go right the way through, so I poked a big long bit of wire up through, and then coming round the outside, ooh, you can see there's a bit of wire coming out down behind the battery, which I'm going to grab with a pair of pliers in a minute.